Just a quick video to demonstrate how you can use this really nice resource, Open Access Theses and Dissertations, or oatd.org, to find some text models for yourself. Obviously, it's full of theses and dissertations, so if you're writing one of those, then you can find some great examples to work from here. And I'm going to show you how to do the search because it's a little bit tricky and sometimes the search times out if you do it wrong. So I'm just going to start with the basic search option here. Let's see what we get. All right. So obviously I have a lot more results than I want. First off, I need to select the language I want. That's down here on the left. In this case, I'm just looking for English language texts. All right. And then I also want to look just for the type of text that I'm looking for. I can do that by selecting the level. So if I'm looking for a doctoral dissertation, for example, I can just click on that. It gets me pretty close. Search is a bit slow, sorry about that, but it's searching the whole universe for texts. So now I've got my results. You can see I've got over 8,000 of them here. And I can just scroll down, look at some of these titles, or maybe look at the universities where they came from, or even the date to decide what might be good to take a look at. I don't know, let's just choose this one. Now, the nice thing about the oatd.org is that most of the time I can download the entire paper in PDF form and see some other stuff about it too, so that's great. I will then download this paper and basically use it as a text model for myself, so I can look at things, for example, like the table of contents. Maybe I want to know what type of chapters are typical in a work like this. Or maybe I want to know what type of language is typical to use in an introduction, for example, or answer the question whether it's typical to, I don't know, use first person in my conclusion or something like that. So having text models is a really great way to get some basic information about the text that you need to write so that you're not starting with a blank page. And I can come back to these models anytime whenever I need to get some information about formatting or structure or anything else, because of course these are all successful theses or dissertations, so I can at least be confident with that. So I hope that you enjoy using the oatd.org. It's a really great resource. If you want a resource like this that is more specific to your university, though, most universities have an internal library like this called a repository. So you could just search the name of your university plus the word repository, and you're probably going to find the university's internal library for its own texts.